Okay, so today we're going to replace the keyboard on an HP G6 2254CA. So the first thing we do is take out the battery. Okay. Then let's take the screw out. Okay. And now we'll pull the cover off. Okay, and the way the cover goes, you slide and then it pulls out. Okay. So keyboard, should be a screw here for the keyboard right there. Oh, looks like somebody already took the keyboard out. Took the screw.
It's missing.
Yeah, that's interesting. There's a screw missing here, and a screw missing there, and a screw missing here. What? Somebody's been fooling around in this? Okay. Yeah, too bad.
And they brought it to us for repairs.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, it's very simple. You take out this screw. If it was here, you would have taken this screw out. And then what you do is you would push on this thing here, that's the keyboard, and that should pop it right out. Okay, so since the key is out, the screw is out, okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. And on this particular model, okay,
you're pushing it out.
Yeah, and so I did, and you can see here it popped out. Okay. So I'm just gonna walk it through, and
out it came.
Out it came. Okay. So it wasn't that difficult, but somebody fooled around with this. And they even took like the tape out here, which is oh well. Okay, so now what we do is we prop this one up. Okay, like that. And the keyboard comes right out. So pause.
So now we put the keyboard.
So there's the cover right on top. Okay, this one here. And then it just snaps right in there. Okay. So you just push it in. Yeah, make sure it snaps in properly. Okay. Because that's the sleeve that comes. That's the sleeve that you need for this. And you can tell here that the customer already tried to pry this open. Okay, there we go. And well, it looks like it's fitting nice and tight. Yep. Okay. That's it. Okay. So again, we'll go back into here. Okay. Always go in at a 90-degree angle, which it is, and I can see them, it fits right into the grooves. And then I'll push this back. Okay. No, it didn't go into there properly. Oh, I'd have to bring it down. Now it went in. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use my spudger. Okay. And I'll force it all the way in. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going around. It looks to me like it's seated properly. Okay. There's no more. Oh, there's a little bit here. and we'll pause to take the phone. Okay, so I put it in. Now we're gonna screw it in.
One screw that we had to secure the keyboard.
Oops, it's not reaching it. So I think I'm gonna have to go like this, and maybe just to push down. Ugh. Oh, I see, it's not long enough. Okay, so we're gonna have to look for a longer screw. Okay, maybe this one. Let's see if this is long enough. Okay. That's it.
Oh, good, it worked.
Yeah, it worked magnificently.
Very good.
Okay, so
Turn on the computer.
turn on the laptop. And we'll try out the keyboard. Okay, so we're going to need an AC adapter
To power it up.
to power it up. Let me see.
Okay. So we'll be back in 1 second.
Okay, so
It worked.
works fine. So now we'll just simply shut it down.
Even the light on the keyboard comes on. Very good.
Okay, shut down. And that's how you change a keyboard on a G6 2254CA. Thank you.